Hey guys, welcome back. The next GPT we are looking at is Levels.fyi GPT. So Levels.fyi is a site wherein they crowdsource data from all the candidates about the job offers they are getting. And they also help you with getting a better negotiation for your job offer. So in today's competitive job market, it is important than ever to negotiate your salary. Yet most people are not comfortable or even intimidated by the prospect of discussing money with their potential employers. In this video, we will explore why salary negotiation is so important and how to approach it with confidence and pose. So here are just some reasons why you should negotiate your salary. You deserve to be paid what you are worth. Your skills and experience have a value. You should not settle for less than what you deserve. Negotiating your salary is also your chance to advocate for yourself and ensure you are being compensated fairly for your contribution. You can increase your earning potential over the time by negotiating a higher salary upfront. You can set yourself up for greater earnings potential in the long run. Even a small increase in your starting salary can lead to significant gains over the course of your career. So you can improve overall financial well-being. A higher salary can have a positive impact on your overall financial well-being. It can also allow you to pay off your debt, save for retirement, and invest in future. You can signal your confidence and value to your employer. When you negotiate your salary, you are demonstrating to your employer you are confident in your abilities and you value yourself. This can make a positive impression and lead to greater opportunities down the road. So salary negotiation is not about being greedy or demanding. It's about advocating, standing up for you and ensuring you are being fairly compensated for your skills and experience. With the right preparation and approach, you can negotiate your salary with better confidence and increase your chances of getting better pay you deserve. So after this, let's look at what Levels.fyi can do. So as Levels.fyi GPT is designed to function as a data-driven negotiator and a career guide, its capabilities are tailored to assist you in several key areas related to career advancement and salary negotiation. So what can this GPT do? One is salary insights. So GPT can provide general insights into salary ranges for various roles and industries based on aggregated data. This includes understanding of typical compensation of packages at different career levels and in different geographic locations. Is this the only way to get it? No. You can use pay scale. You can also use Indeed salary or LinkedIn pay, which LinkedIn jobs, which list a range of the salary. So let me actually do this. Let me go to this one, copy this prompt, and I'm already in Levels.fyi GPT. So I want to ask this here. So it's basically giving you this, and it says a typical for 5-year experience is 120 to 160k, and this may change. So if you go to Levels.fyi website, you would get the latest data. But this data is probably 2 or 3 months old, or sometimes even 6 months old. It depends how frequently they update their GPT. It's also giving the potential cash bonus, RSUs, and 401k match, and other perks. So for some roles like AI engineer and others, it did not give me the exact range because it did not have the exact data for that. But you can play around with different job titles and see what roles it has data for. And after this, the second thing what it can do is negotiation strategy. So it can offer guidance on how to approach salary negotiation. This involves tips on how to present your skills and experience, understanding the market for your role, and tactics for efficiently negotiating this one. So if I am just giving this, that I currently make a base salary of some X number, and what percentage of it is bonus, and what is the RSU I'm getting, right? So I can give this, and I've been offered a position as a project manager in a mid-sized company. What are some effective strategies for negotiating a higher salary? So while I do this, let me actually move on to the, while this goes through, it is giving you all the information about research and benchmark. before entering negotiation, research the market for project managers industry. It's giving this your current compensation should serve as a benchmark, right? It's also giving you about Levels.fyi, Glassdoor or PayScale to understand the typical compensation packages, understand the total compensations, which is inclusive of all your bonuses, RSUs and other perks you are getting. Articulate your value, consider the company's perspective, negotiate on multiple fronts, prepare for counter offers, right? So if you are walking away, make sure you have something to defend why you are asking. So if you are asking X and you want to turn it down, you need to give some justification as to why somebody is willing to give some similar number to what you are asking, and for X or Y reason why you would like to go with this company. So, and be professional and positive. Don't be emotional in any negotiation. That is an advice I would like to give. And get everything in writing. So firms can always go back because they might say they're going to get you an offer in place, but someone in the hierarchy might reject it. So try to negotiate that. Is it final or is it a verbal offer which can be revoked anytime? And seek advice if needed. So these are some inputs you need to know. And like career path guidance. So like it can offer career progression, including insights into what typical career path you might need to look into, right? So I'm just asking this, that I'm currently an associate product manager. What are the typical career progression steps in product management and skills? And what should I focus on to reach a senior level? So all this are just hypothetical scenarios I'm taking, and just to simulate how to use this GPT, I am trying to give you that specific one. So, and if you work in different industry, you might custom this queries for your specific industry, because you would probably know about your industry and the transition levels specific to you. I can try to get the data for you, what's the progression level across, but it would be like too complex for everyone. So you are the best judge to know what's the progression in your industry and what role your manager works on and other stuff. So similarly, it can provide information about trends in the job market, including in-demand skills, emerging roles, and shifts that could impact your career choices and this. So what are the emerging roles in and skills in demand in the tech industry for 2023? So it could be in catering industry, it could be in healthcare industry, it could be in F&B industry, it could be in event management, right? So this is totally up to you to ask what area you are into. So it is just giving for AI and ML, what are the potential skills? For cybersecurity, what are the potential skills? Cloud computing, data analytics, quantum computing, blockchain, edge computing, sustainable green tech, UI, UX, AR and VR, RPA. So these are some skill set which from their data they think are relevant, and that's what it's basically providing you. And resume and interview don't have access to specific data points. It can offer general advice in optimizing your resume and perform well in job interviews based on the common best practices. So what I will do is I will just use a dummy resume here of a program manager. You could upload your resume and you can ask, can you provide me some tips how to make my resume stand out for a senior program manager? Also, I need to prepare for, I have attached my resume. So what I'm trying to do is I have a dummy resume, which is of a mid-level or a junior program manager. I'm just asking, how does this person transition into a senior program manager? So what all the steps are, what are the remedial measures and additional skills this person should gain to actually move on to the next thing. So that's basically what it's showing here. And it's also giving the skills, certifications that needed, professional development, and all the other stuff. It's also giving some common interview questions that's asked for senior program manager. And I haven't tested this beyond tech, so I think it should work beyond tech too. If not, do let me know in the comments. I will update in the end if it's not covering any other sectors. So as far as I know, it should cover most of the sectors. And what can this GPT do? Customized advice based on information you have provided and your situation. It can tailor guidance to better suit your career goal. So similarly, you can ask, have a background in marketing for 3 years. I am looking to transition into digital marketing. What do you have for making this career shift and what skills should I focus on? So if I just type this, let's wait for it. And underneath it, you will have access to these slides. Just click on this link. It will take you to the GPT, which I'm using. And once you get in there, it will show up in your list of GPTs. So you don't need to remember the link every time. You just have to log in once. And basically advice for transitioning into digital marketing, it's saying what skills you need to develop. And apart from this, we will also get some info on each one of them. There is a small explanation that's needed and the role and responsibility you are expected to deliver. And that's basically what it's talking about. And I hope this was helpful. And I will try to look at other GPTs that are useful for career and other opportunities along with different sectors. Thank you for joining.